Welcome back, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will study the grammar part, play with words. Section G. Choose the correct words from the box to replace the words in gray. Write the sentence in your notebook. Here there are 4 words in the box. See the sentence, my best friend is very caring, which is written in gray, caring. So instead of caring, what you have to add? You have to add kind. My best friend is very kind. Second one, I feel unhappy if I lose my toys. Which one is written in gray? Unhappy. So instead of unhappy, what you have to write? You have to write sad. I feel sad if I lose my toys. Third, I am full of joy when I visit my grandparents. I am happy when I visit my grandparents. Viren was filled with wonder and surprise when his parents gifted him a puppy on his birthday, which is written in gray, filled with wonder and surprise. So Viren was amazed when his parent gifted him a puppy on his birthday. Next, H. Match the people with the places where they work. Farmer. Where do farmer work? Field. Where do teacher work? School. Where do nurse work? Hospital. Where do sailor work? Ship. Judge in the court. Where do photographer work? Studio. Where do mechanic work? Garage. Now next. Some words in these sentences are spelled incorrectly. Underline them and write them correctly. Here in this exercise, one word is spelling is wrong. You have to write, underline under that, and you have to write the correct spelling. See here, first one, the trees were full of ripe, juicy mangoes. Student, you have to underline juicy. Here, juicy spelling is wrong. What is the spelling of juicy? Juicy. Next one. The people of the forest believed in the tree god. You have to underline believed. Believed spelling is wrong. What is the correct spelling? Believed. Believed. Third one, the monkeys ate half of each fruit and threw the rest down. Which is the wrong spelling? Monkeys. What is the spelling or right spelling? Monkeys. Next one day a man arrived carrying a big sack. Which one is wrong word? Carrying. What is the spelling of carrying? Carrying. Carrying. Next. The man was surprised to see the mangoes rolling away. Which is wrong spelling? Rolling. What is the spelling of rolling? ROLLING. Next one. The greedy man stood and watched the amazement. What is the spelling of amazement? AMAZEMENT. 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 Now the next part, What is that? Worksheet exercise number K. Here you have to remember some things. You have to put the full stop. You have to put the question mark. You have to always start with a capital letter. Rearrange these groups of words to make correct sentence. To rewrite them in your notebook. Remember to add capital letters, punctuation mark where needed. Here are some sentences, but these sentences are not correct. So we have to write in the correct way. Just see the student. First one, the mango trees grown on their own head. This is a wrong thing. So first of all, what you have to do? The mango, the T, you have to write capital. The mango trees had grown on their own. Then you have to put a full stop. Once again, the mango trees had grown on their own. Full stop. The T you have to write in the capital letter. Second one, the sun hotter and hotter became. So first you have to correct the T. Here it is written small letter. Instead of small letter, you have to put a capital letter T. The sun became hotter and hotter. Full stop. What is that? The sun became hotter and hotter. You have to put a full stop. Are you understanding? Yes or no? Next one, 3. The branches, beautiful mango blossom were covered with. So first of all, here also you have to write the T capital letter. So the branches were covered with beautiful mango blossom. What is the sentence? Then you should put a full stop. The branches were covered with beautiful mango blossom. Full stop. Next one, fourth number, were buzzing honeybees. So first you have to write honeybee. Honey, H we have to write the capital letter. Honeybees were buzzing. Honeybees were buzzing. Full stop. So H you have to write in the capital letter. Next one, became birds flew away and the mangoes. Here first you have to write the mangoes. The T you have to write in the capital letter. The mangoes became birds and flew away. What is that? The mangoes became birds and flew away. Then you have to put a full stop. The last one, how this can be. So how we can write? This is a question mark question only. How can this be? So how? First you have to write the H capital letter. How can this be? Question mark. Okay, did you understand? Yes or no? I think you understood. Now we come to the next part. Listen and speak. Now I am going to tell you a small story. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Ricky. He loves to watch birds in his garden. So he builds a bird's house. In spring, a pair of birds move into the bird's house. Pair 2. He has a lot of fun with the baby birds grow. He loves baby birds and he used to go and enjoy watching the birds. This is a story. Do you like the story? Yes or no? Now we will fill in the blanks. Name of the book, Ricky's Bird's House. Name of the author, Monica Wellington. The book is about a boy called Ricky. He loves to watch birds in his garden, so he builds a bird's house. In spring, a pair of birds move into the bird's house. He has a lot of fun watching the baby birds grow. The book has beautiful pictures and is easy to read and understand. It shows you that bird watching can be funny. Our next one, think and write. They have given one outline picture. So by looking at this picture, you have to write few words. What do you see? So you can see a lake. Am I right? Hills, green. You can see everywhere green sceneries are there. Cold and peaceful. This atmosphere, by seeing this atmosphere, it feel like it's very peaceful. Now write a paragraph of 5 sentences in your notebook using the words you have written. The picture shows a beautiful lakeside. There are hills around the lake. There is a lot of greenery. The place must be cold. The experience of going to such a place would be peaceful. Dear student, that is the end of the exercise. Please, you have to learn all the exercise, spelling, and you have to write all these exercises in your textbook. Only the question answer you write in your 4-line notebook. Are you understanding? Yes or no? Yes. So students, please study well. Thank you.